yebe wuramu a ya kosi nyina no pay yebe di ho komo na fei obu ade de ne kamu ti ofra na wa my direction ye obi also afa new cases eba era wukoi yebe di komo ewo important yebe rural regions na hodo ni nyina eti Greater Accra, Northern region, Upper West, Upper East, yebe ram Volta, Oti, Bono East Ahafo, Central, Western North, Western Savannah, Ashanti region, yebe ram Omaining Cho, and in Chaso. Now yet do come. Yeah, we asking ourselves simple questions and the way forward. That's saying so. One of the things that you better add it up, and some of the issues in the boy you be invited either via phone call or live at a studio. Local government aspect, and sometimes to Obia, what not like anymore ache with all the experiences that they have. I'll pay. That is our than saying so you better add it up to see. We also the budget allocations and then because quite be odd by Busan Wasama. The jail Munyanya here no ho sama been so over the mark contract. You also on some no better. But you know, you'll find a amicable solution to all this. Because my catcher said Banaya about Sompa or said Besobo. Na assume Sompa. I'll pay Mammy new come kakra da yan kick starting. Exactly 7 sports for Baba Tenassi. Orlando ne Mbapa the tip off on the brain. Na everywhere you know exactly 7:30 we'll be back. Kwame Jako eba coming home. Na team no nyina are ready. Yaba somo. I'll pay Abapa Barbara and a production works nyina. Now, Faye, young hard-working team, OMCR, the pair almost so boy, cheap dog, see, Kwasi Joshua. Also a 2-room kakaka. I ask you, I ask you, I'll pay you Guswa that yes, someone, but Mammy don't charge you. Your Papa Bia, it is believed, sir, and you're no mom, Anna. According to science, or day a year idea your friend say Bob eba ye and answer on the shas yes or your Bob ya and don't show a pump a one who you or them Montanasu who you honor. But honor it is believed say only in the power ye first commercial Bob are a yes successful. Now papa your friend Thomas Edison. Your friend Thomas Edison. Papa can sembia area say Aberdeen. A lot of people know about this. He was a scientist, a very renowned one. Just say, or a lot of research. Our science inventing things. Now, area say nipa bebre shase. So omo ye ade a yebema yenya bulb. Cause electricity, the formulation and everything, nya fa kwan a produce etimide ye other things. But say be ya ebenya bulb a ebe shen te se awia ana se eduru anajo a ehyen te se moon no. That was water na ewiase nyina eguso nti scientists ahodo bebre. Yes, some filament bulbs and other bulbs. They say, Bob, you have LED bulbs. You have LED bulbs. Remwa Candescent bulbs. Me a daddy so okay. Jadi bulb. Can you cry there? The entire friend you jadi bulb. And why I say pair bisano? Na, Papa ya make an asim. One of the things are, oh yeah, and say. O shase se oye ne de oye mako about 1,000 to 10,000 times. Thank you. Now, oya no wa faili. Oya no wa faili. And the amount for cry give you up say. Now, Edena Thomas Edison ya. Oya adienu nya. Oya se o trebu on mo ye wie no so try na blast it. Ebu on mo ye no ye se o try na bibia si. Ento oya afei odru number bi na manfo the conform you closer to him. Eka chen so you are a great scientist. You are a great scientist. I will invent a lot of things. And designer she so you su filaments na open so your bob na nye ya. I then I won't try be before fro. Now when give you up or ya till one day a ye. And then Thomas Edison catch about for say na then na we no faili faili. And so ya wa dwen say and found the number of times ube faili. Obako so aye. Aria Thomas Edison catch home and say, "Oh no one failure. Sa 1,000 times no ye no. One failure. No mom a man who say or discover idea a man who say oh ye 1,000 times enye ye and 10,000 times Emma Bob eye enye ye. So nye so failure, but he discovered that these are 1,000 ways Oya Boba any it cannot be successful. 1,000 ways Oya Bobsa emanine successful. That is the power of positivity. But he says that these are 1,000 times achem se me ya dia enye. Arapɛ de me no kan wo tia wa memory to say. Don't give up on yourself. And can say obi beba be ma nkra hye aka cho se de wo ye no ebe ye and asa toko so ye one kasa be yourself motivator, be positive. Catch on say my de ba kwa ye my enemy no anye ye my enemy ensa anye ye makoso aye kopim se be ye. So far as say enye sa kwan na so, because what I learned from Thomas Edison is say oye ne kwan we so na anye ya ofa kwan foforo so edwom yanyoma aye ton ye businesses aye obra aye bo ekwan ba ko na ne afa so aye ade ba ko a oye ne sade you continue to fail, but oye ne kwan we so na anye ya pe kwan foforo eye no awade a ye wade no se dru ba bi na wo se entoko e ba fie no ejira se manu de mikunu kan ba ko meka 20 ana se ade ma wade ni nye ye se me ye be ma na nso mintie me yire nso asem and sa ade na koso ama wade no e feli. And these are ways I won't say oh ye wa wade na enye ye be mo feli o ton wade won say ade a me ton no kwan we ya me fa so no e ma manfo nto. You look for another branding, you look for another ways or the beton ade no emma wa be mu buda. Don't give up on yourself. And trust so be ba be motivational speaker be motivate you. One kasa motivate you ho. Said your Thomas Edison and can then go give you up. Can you say yenya kanya share awba Sompa studio ha fe yenya kanya and then go for be ye bia kan ho a. You free candescent, you free filament, you free so many ways as they say ya ba bedru LED. And no cry LED bulbs are amount for a good research say ye be bulba e be ye fe na en consuming a lot of energy. Other for anopay, don't give up on yourself. You are your own devil, you are your own God when it comes to giving up on yourself. And give up on yourself. If the Yankopon Akashi say orinya yen na orempa yen. Never give up. Never ever give up. Continue to aso neye na mse debino ebe. Otufo Yankopon me ya ase na anopay onfa de domno en domien. Oma na nimo nyam no koso nkyeren we so. Yensa no adwuma enye yi na nyame enhyae. Anopay yakoba yebedi komo na still no, Professor Frimpong Boatin case no ho na ekwan ya enioma fa so kono me ka asem bi cho se me ka asem and don't joke with me me ka cho se nkomodie bi akoso okroma na nkomodie no empanyimfo bi be sha ase ababonte abe kasa afa MPP party no na MPP for how to manage these things. I can be a disaster for them even after electing their flag bearer. Me catch us some painful be bashas, yeah? KK Sapon Akasa, Professor Frimpong Akasa, and then who is the current one? Tamaklo Akasa, and other people. Missing meeting because and I know what is coming. Election year Bekosuno, a lot of strategies, meetings are also, and in your me catch a man say, forget about prophecies, forget about numerologists, forget about Bibia. It's a matter to strategize and strategize well. Omo timyo de bebrea say bia solve biba e boa and answer wow your research e boa and you want to depend on data waso be yeshi. MPP as a party. Yes, so nyoma hwegu ada hunu hyehe. Mo dem nyoma na hwegu mu tietia so. And you guys have to be serious. Sa in communist ways now we use ya moko opposition. Say you guys are not learning anything from it. And I pay bedi unkowo. Minister in charge of health. Arabo akando aka sembi. Na dia no ka. O say teaching hospitals ni nya running 24 hours. Obem say ba say ye konfa no chia kolebu ni ade a doctors oh yes. But what hwe hu a obekọ yese lab nya adwuma. Obekọ OPD ni ho. Enti emergency nko a enti no kasa anopa ye ba ye be rewram na ye di nkomo Sam Radio Orlando and the Ember Power team no I ready that sports no so ehye se brudo ye free ovi mu ye free phone mu anopa yi o ma bon bede me nya abota momu no mo biebiem ye kwa ba ye from na Kwame